Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my review of Guy's Pig and Anchor aboard the brand new Carnival celebration, plus my top 7 cocktails. Located in the back of deck number 8 in the summer landing zone, we have Guy Fieri's Pig and Anchor. Known for having 2 distinctive areas, the smokehouse and the brewhouse. Here at the Pig and Anchor, you'll find fresh brewed beer from their brewery, a full-service bar, and a wide selection of bourbons and whiskeys. Hit that like button if you've been to Guy's Pig and Anchor before, or if you're looking to go, drop a comment below. Now, let's hop into my top 7 cocktails. Getting the party started, we have the Western Sour. Made with Woodford Reserve, fresh grapefruit juice, agave syrup, and grapefruit bitters. These fresh ingredients add a fresh taste to your classic whiskey sour. Spicing things up at number 6, we have the Caliente Margarita. The jalapenos, cilantro, and the spicy rojo rim gives this margarita a kick that definitely takes it up a notch. The combination of vodka, peach puree, lemon, apero, and sparkling wine are 5 distinctive ingredients that create the Southern Peach at number 5. The Blackberry Fizz was a unique and different cocktail. Made with blackberry syrup, Buffalo Trace bourbon, lemon, and thyme, all coming together for a flavorful yet smooth sipping experience. Finished with a dash of club soda to give this cocktail the perfect fizz. Making a hit into the number 3 spot, we have the Rockin' Rye Punch with rye whiskey, pineapple, lime, and orange juice. This was fruity but not sweet, and the whiskey packed the punch on the finish. If you love a good margarita, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out this one with watermelon lime and a mezcal float, all shaken and smoked together for my number 2 cocktail. Breaking into the number 1 spot, we have the Bourbon Smash. This was a perfectly crafted cocktail with Woodford Reserve, fresh lemon juice, muttered mint, and freshly squeezed honey. If you're looking for a top-tier sipping experience, make sure you check out the Bourbon Smash. And tell them, Travel with John Spate sent you. With the bourbon and tequila cocktails pairing perfectly with their barbecue. My rating for the cocktails at Guy's Pig and Anchor, 8.5 out of 10. And with a distinct Pitmaster's aroma that gives a comforting feel of Southern hospitality. Rate this brew house and restaurant a 9 out of 10.